will study about human anatomy. So let's start with the introduction part first. Before proceeding towards human anatomy, one must know about the term anatomy. That what is anatomy? So here's the definition of anatomy is that it is the identification and description of structures of living things. It is the branch of biology and medicines. Okay, now we will proceed towards human anatomy. What is the definition of human anatomy? So it is the study of structures of the human body. One must study in this about the structures which our body are containing. So the anatomy is divided into two parts, gross anatomy and microscopic anatomy. So gross anatomy is the study of biological structures that we are able to see through our eyes. Okay, so those structures comes under gross anatomy. So certain systems are there which comes under gross anatomy, which includes skeletal system, muscular system, lymphatic system, respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, cardiovascular system, urinary system, endocrine system, reproductive system, integumentary system, which include our skin, our nails and hairs. Okay, now we will read about microscopic anatomy. So microscopic anatomy is the study of cells and tissue of animals, humans and plant. So this study collectively called as histology. Okay, now we are able to see this diagram on this slide. It is a diagram of human anatomy. So this structure consists of skull, esophagus, lungs, stomach, blood vessels, bones, joint, nerve, large intestine, lymph nodes, limbs, etc. etc. Okay, now we will proceed to the term language of anatomy, to the topic. So the medical language is quite different with the layman language. So there are some specific terms to describe some specific features of the body. So we will proceed, we will read to the positions. What are the positions in anatomy? So number one, there is anatomical position. Okay, now first we will read about the definition of anatomical positions. We are able to see in this diagram that this person is standing straight, his eyes are facing forward, his palms are facing forward, his feet are together. Okay, so this position is termed as anatomical position. Okay. Now, second position is supine position. Supine position, basically it is that position in which a person lies on his back and his face is directing towards the ceiling.